Yeah.
We're up in Texas.
When I was in Syracuse, we used to go, to Skinny Atlas.
I started at the tunnel out of Cincinnati, and I'm working my way that way. I'll probably stop around Martin if someone else doesn't get clean before then.
Let me get this up the hill and then I'll.
Looks like someone's gone through and prepped all the Lego for the next stop.
Yeah, we didn't come together because he's having eye surgery.
Is it tomorrow?
I think it is.
Yeah, I figure he's probably not supposed to eat anything before he gets.
I'm watching the whole conversation about Saturday ops happening on Discord, and I'm like, I don't care either way. I can't attend it.
You can't?
Either session. Tomorrow at 8 o'clock is wheels up for me to go to my cousin's wedding in Connecticut, and I'm not back. I'm not back until Saturday evening.
Yeah.